Nature is such a blessing. Being able to spend a night out in nature alone is not only a privilege but a remedy and a gift. For nature is such an important and integral part of our lives.
Welcome back. We're out in the head. We're heading up solo to a peak for a relaxing camp. Should be a great night out. Looms above us now. The cliff faces of the peak. Man, that was a tiring climb. Almost 2 hours from the car. And we made it to the summit, 1230 meters high. And the permanent marking the summit. So yeah, this is the summit lookout. Here's our beautiful little campsite and our little chair and open out view out here. It's not an amazing view, but it's okay. Anyway, what people don't realise is that this peak actually offers way better views. You just have to go on a bit of an adventure. So very soon we'll head down that way and try and find some amazing view spots to show you all. Nature, baby. Whew. But yeah, this is the first amazing viewpoint. Basically got views back along the cliff face, out to Mount Maroon and Lindsay out there, along the valleys, and there's a couple of fires burning down there. But yeah, just absolutely spectacular. Immersive views. Oh, wow. Let's bash up back to camp and get off this really dodgy razorback. So I'm currently reading a book on forest therapy. Now, for many of you don't know, I've been a web developer for 20 years. And whilst I enjoy what I do, I just don't find it very rewarding. So I want to start doing something that not only gives back to myself, but helps people out. So what better way than to bring people out into nature? Because being out in a place like this is just so good for your mental and your physical health. So yeah, in the upcoming months, I'm going to start training to become a guide for forest therapy. So yeah, stay tuned for what develops up that alley. So yeah, I've been having trouble stomaching a lot of hiking meals lately. Like backcountry and radix and even Strive are starting to become quite in my stomach. So I'm looking for new options. Generally when I do a single overnight, I'll cook something fresh, but Tonight I'm going to trial these meals from Go Native. So this is a vegetable curry. We've got some instant rice here as well. It's a bit gluggy, but it's edible. If I was to rate it, I'd probably give it a 6 to 7 out of 10. That's not awesome, but definitely doesn't come close to a home cooked meal, but yeah, it's definitely decent. But yeah, if you haven't started overnight hiking yet, I highly recommend it. It's fantastic. But yeah, nature baby, come get some. How aggressive are those clouds back there? But yeah, it's just so peaceful up here. Really needed this escape out into nature. Morning to you all. Pretty blowy outside, pretty cold. So
made it.
So yeah, that was a relaxing night out in nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.